Morning. So I've just done a workout and then I came upstairs and I noticed my eyebrows need doing. So I'm just going to do them really quickly with the brow blade, okay, that comes in the makeup kit, the eyebrow kit. Right, so it comes with the mirror as well. So I've shown you this before, but all you do is push it against the hair grain to get rid of all those... Oscar's filming me. Could you see that, Oscar, all those tiny hairs?
Yeah.
You zoom in. Not very nice, is it? Okay, immediately gone. So rather than plucking, if you just want to do a really quick job, just use this. Just be careful you don't take the whole eyebrow off. Look, it's a really nice, neat edge as well. And do that middle bit. Please be careful. Don't be taking them back too far. Remember, eyebrows come to your nose, just there. Good for all those flyaway little bits. Done.